All right, everybody, welcome back to Best Used Big Rigs for Sale. I know it's been a while. Took a little hiatus, but we're back in the game now, and I'm excited to bring you a video today on this beautiful truck. 2015 Kenworth T660. Custom paint, studio package, 86-inch double bunk. Sweet, sweet looking truck. Very well maintained. 244-inch wheelbase. Air slide fifth wheel there with the deep tread on the rubber. This baby just came back from detail, so she's super clean and ready to go. On the back there, that shows you it's going to have an APU on it. Tri-Pack Evolution APU. Nice clean frame, no rust. Super well taken care of truck all the way around. There's your APU. Kind of a cloudy day here in Kansas City, Missouri, but I think this thing would look even better if the sun was shining off of her. Nonetheless, I want to get this video out to you soon. 2015 T660 Studio package. Bumper guard there for you. Open this up here. All right. Fire her up here. See how she sounds. Here we go. Paccar, 500 horsepower from the factory, boys. Still running strong. Tight, no leaks. Ready to rock and roll. Jump around here to the other side. Get your shot here. See what she has to offer on the inside. All right, boom, right off the bat. Leather seats both sides. Take you a little peek in there. Tranny, 13-speed Eaton Fuller transmission. All right, gauges, gauges, more gauges. Custom blue lights inside. All right, elephant in the room, 974,000 miles. Uh-oh, problem, right? No, sir. Overhauled, 807. Excuse me, spent $36,000 on this overhaul, so you don't have to. It's ready to go. Like I said, 807, I do have the receipts, full overhaul. It's had new rear ends in the last year. New clutch at 826. I mean, yeah, she's got miles on her, but it's the work that's needed to be done has been done. You don't have to mess with it, right? Diamond interior, super clean. Eat off the floor carpet. Refrigerator, full stand-up cabinets all the way around, double bunk, full stand-up cabinets again, both sides. I stand about 5'9" on a good day. I can't reach the ceiling in this bad boy, so plenty of room. Nice shot there, looks good. It's incredible how big this sleeper is, this 86-inch Studio. I'm on the front lip of the bed. I'm not even coming close to reaching the seats. panel over here, your APU controls, big windows in each side, upper and lower, big vista windows there. Anyways, as you can see in this video, this truck is clean, it's spec'd right, it's got the overhaul, it's just a beautiful machine. I got it priced $79,950, guys. You can do some shop around in this market, and I think you'll see that that's a really reasonable price for what you're getting here. I do offer financing options. This one with the higher mileage, certain banks won't look at it, but I have banks that will. If you're interested in getting qualified for this or talking about it, you need a video of something specific, let me know. It's Jacob with American Motors here, Kansas City, Missouri. We've got a Colorado location as well. My direct line is 816-517-2439. Again, 816-517-2439. My name's Jacob. Call me, text me. Let's talk about this truck, another truck you're looking for. I'm constantly buying trucks, getting inventory in. We'd love to help you get into one. Thanks for watching today. We'll see you soon.